Today we have done the preliminary for restoration of this road, which is from the high mast at Nashnola junction, which goes up to Jagbai temple. And this is a very important road which connects Nashnola to Uttasai, and which can also go up to Gawar on the other side. This road was long pending and overdue, I would say. रस्तो फोडलोलो उदकाचे पायप घालपाक आनी अजून रेस्टोरेशन जालें ना. 4.5 मीटर आशिल्लो तो रस्तो म्हाका दिसता आतां 3 मीटर जाला रस्तो. So this work is being tendered for 35 lakhs. But I have one demand which I will put it in writing to the government. I've already spoken in the assembly about this. I've spoken about this particular road because it's a shame that it's a main road which connects to the other village, and it also passes in front of our Sarpanch Freddy's house. So if anyone even comes to visit the Sarpanch, he will see this is a very pitiable state. It should not be. It should be always a presentable road. One. Number two, whenever roads are dug up, they should be promptly resurfaced. They should be restored immediately. आज कित जाता रस्तो फोंडटात 3-4 वर्सांनी मागीर रिस्टोर करतात. This cannot be acceptable to anyone, and we have to set a mechanism in place by which the works will have to be done. And all this has to be taken and factored into account when they are tendering the work for digging of the road. So I thank the government that at least they have heard our request. I thank the PWD engineers, Belgaonkar, Bobe and Walke, who have been pushing this along with our Sarpanch Freddy. And Freddy also been following up with me regularly. So finally we got this work done, and I'm glad that this should be completed before Diwali, and hopefully it should be completely shining by Christmas time. And I appeal that we should also be able to use the road properly and not to just keep parking on the road, on the sides, on the shoulders of the road, reducing the width of the road. It's okay to park it on the shoulders where it's not right of way, but when you park it on the road, it becomes a problem for other commuters. So I thank the department and the panchayat also for being cooperative and making sure these works are getting done fast and promptly.
आयज हांव तुका नाशोला विलेज पंचायतीच्या नांवान सर कालुसाक चडान चड ते देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कित्याक हो रोड पळय रिनस्टेट करपाचो आसलो तो लॉंग पेंडींग तुका कितें इश्यू आसलो. आनी जेन्ना आमी सराक सांगलें बाबा ते कालुसाक, तेन्ना ताणें एसेंब्लीन सुद्दां हो पॉयंट रेस केलो. म्हणून आयज हें काम तुका आयज करूंक तुका ते घडोवन तुका पावलें. देखून आमच्या MLA गांव चडान चड ते देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी हाचे फुडें जेन्ना PWD पळय वॉटर सप्लाय केन्ना तुका लेईंग ऑफ पायप पळय ते घालतली, तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी रिनस्टेट करपाचें काम त्या एस्टिमेटान तुका ते दाखोवपाक जाय. नाजाल्यार PWD म्हणटा हें काम आपलें न्ही, हें काम येता रोड्साचें. देखून PWD वॉटर सप्लायन हें काम पयलें पायपलायन घाली म्हणटकच तांच्या एस्टिमेटान तांच्यांनी करून तुका तें दिवचें. आमकां पायपलायनूय जाय आनी आमकां ते रस्तो जाय ते डेवलॉपमेंटाक. हांव सराक चडान चड तें देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी आमचे डिमांड्स आमी सराक घाल्या रिगार्डींग भरून वाडो हे वॉटर टँक आनी सोरीबा तें हें तुका तें फॉलोअप करतलो. आनी हांव आमचे कोण हांगा आयज हाजीर आहा तांकां आमच्या गांव भयणींक हांव पंचायत ते मेंबरांक बाब निलेश संजयवानीक सगळ्यांक तुका ते देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी हीं आमची कामां सरान ते करचें आनी सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.